Welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna get into these turkey wings. Okay, y'all, it is almost cuddle season, so we finna get into some comfort food because it's almost that time. Okay, fall coming, it's time to get cuddly. You feel me? Let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we got some carrots, some celery, onion, and stuff like that, right? So I already peeled this celery or this carrot. What we're gonna do is just like a rough chop, y'all. We're gonna go in with the celery first, and then we just gonna cut them like this. That's it. If y'all want to cut them smaller, you can cut them smaller. So this is going to be for the bed of our turkey wings. We cut this carrot the same way. That's it. Set that aside. Cut the onion. And then we already peeled some garlic, so we don't got to worry about that. Alright, y'all. So here's what we have. We also cut a lemon. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and make the bed. So we're gonna get our pan. Then we're just going to add the veggies in there. So we're just gonna make this nice bed for our turkey wings. Okay, we could pretty much pour everything else in here. Okay, we're gonna put some lemons on top. All right. Alright, so now y'all can just see how beautiful this looks, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start with some oil. We're gonna rub our wings. I know you probably like, why you got these legs? Girl, because they got meat on it, that's why, and we're gonna eat that. We don't waste none of that around here. Feel me? So we got this nice mixture of seasonings, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know what this is. Crushed red peppers, seasoning salt, just a little bit of seasoning salt, y'all. Some smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning, some garlic and herb with no salt, okay? And a little bit of Sazon and some black pepper, if I didn't already say that. So we're gonna make sure that these wings are coated really, really good, okay? Okay, so we're about to use some of this, y'all. This is all I can find. I was looking for that Cajun one, but I couldn't find it. So this is the injectable marinade. Let's go ahead and get out of shape. It comes with an injector, so we're just gonna inject some of these wings. That's what we're gonna do. Get this first wing. Oop. You wanna get under there. Make sure y'all get up under there. There we go. Set that aside. Okay, so we have our beautiful wings. We're gonna throw some thyme on here and we're gonna let this marinate. We're gonna refrigerate them. I'm gonna put them in a bag, y'all. They just look pretty like this, but I'm gonna put them in a bag and marinate them for about 8 hours. Y'all try to do at least an hour, okay? If you can't do 8 hours. We got oil in here. We're gonna add some butter. It's already nice and hot. Just gonna sear this chicken on both sides. transfer it onto the bed that we made. And we just gonna save this for later for our gravy. Okay, we're gonna add a couple pieces of butter. And we're gonna add this rosemary that we had. Add some chicken broth to the bottom. Now we're just gonna cover this. We got the oven on 375. So we're gonna do this for about 2.5, 3 hours. We're gonna come back and check in about 2 hours.
Two hours later.
So we just took it out the oven, y'all. We're about to see what it's looking like. We're gonna pour off this. Oh God, beautiful. So beautiful, y'all. Then what I'll do is I'll flip these over. Oh, I didn't even show you. I flipped them over. My bad, y'all. But I thought I had the camera on it, but I didn't. But I ended up just flipping these over. So now we got the drippings right here. And we about to make the gravy. Okay. So we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, so we're going to add about 1/3 cup of flour. You just want to work this in. If you find that you need more, just add some chicken broth. And so we're gonna bring this to a boil and then slowly down to a simmer until it starts thickening. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna season this. Got our gravy to a nice little thickness. I'm going with some, what is this? Onion powder. Little seasoning salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper. And y'all, what I like to use sometimes is a little bit of soy sauce for color and for the flavor though. Get that mixed in there real good. And then you just want to taste it and adjust the flavor to your liking, right? So that's what we're gonna do here. Okay, so normally y'all would go ahead and pour this over your chicken, but y'all, I think I'm gonna use this pan to put it in the oven because I like it. So I'm gonna use this instead. Cover this. Back in the oven for that last hour, y'all. What you're gonna do is spoon over some of this gravy. Now I'm just putting this back on y'all just for presentation. I'll show y'all how fork tender. That's what I mean. Some of that gravy. I gotta go. just look how good these turkey wings came out. Oh my goodness, they are so tender. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!